Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Well, as you know that along with live classes, online lectures are also being delivered. So this lecture is also one of them. And in this lecture, we are going to cover chapter number 12 of the book, which is conjunctions, right? So here first of all, we'll get to know that what is a conjunction. A conjunction is a word which actually joins the two sentences, clauses, or the words within a clause. For example, you can see the given example. Tom and Tim are twins, so they get on very well. But Tom only likes the color of grass, while Tim only likes the smell. Now you can see that Tom and Tim and is joining the two words, so they get on very well. Now these are the two clauses. Tom and Tim are twins, ये एक separate clause है. They get on very well, it is the other clause. ठीक है, और ये join किससे हो रहा है? With the help of so. But Tom only likes the color of grass. Now but is what? But is joining the two sentences, while Tim only likes the smell. और while जो word है वो दूसरे clause को join कर रहा है. ठीक है, so this is the difference, and this is the work, and this is the responsibility, as you can say that, of the conjunction, and this is how it works, right? Now we will check out how many types of conjunction are there. There are four types, you can say: coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction, and conjunctive adverb. First of all, we will check out what is coordinating conjunction. This is the type of the conjunction which gives equal importance to the words or sentence that it connects. यानी दोनों parts को equally treat करता है. There may have many simple conjunctions like and, yet, for, nor, so. For example, you can see I like coffee, but my wife prefers tea. As you can see, the word but जितना इसको prefer करे, I like coffee, एक आपकी अपनी preference जाहिर कर रहा है, but my wife prefers tea. Both the parts of the sentences are of equal value. इसलिए इसको कहा गया है कि it connects in the way and gives a equal importance to both parts of the sentence. See the next one. Would you like prefer coffee or tea? So coffee और tea दोनों को equally treat कर रहा है. See next one. I have drunk 6 cups of coffee today, so I've got a headache. ठीक है, जितना first part आपका है I have drunk 6 cups of coffee and I've got a headache, दोनों को equally treat कर रहा है, right? So this is the function of coordinating conjunction. Now we'll see how does subordinating conjunction work. This is a conjunction that connects a main clause with a subordinate clause. As you know that there are two clauses in the sentences. One is independent and the other is dependent. So you must know that the clause which starts with the subordinating conjunction, that is always a subordinate clause. ये आपके लिए identification भी हो सकती है. So it always depends on the main clause and does not give complete meaning without it. For example, she is crying because you were unkind, right? So because you were unkind, you can say that is a dependent clause, right? Because it's going to start with the subordinating conjunction. There are some other examples are also given for subordinating conjunction. For example, whereas, though, before, while, unless, whereas, unless, right? So these are the examples of subordinating conjunction. Now we will see example of subordinating conjunction in the form of sentences. As you can see that Peter didn't go to work yesterday because he was ill. Here because is used to give reason. As he was feeling unwell, Hafiz didn't go to work yesterday. Again giving the reason. And it's a bit more formal than because. I will send you a map so that you can find the place more easily. Right? You're telling the reason of sending a map. See the last one. The baby gets very grumpy whenever he is tired. Right? So whenever is showing the time duration. Right? Now we will talk about correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction are pairs such as neither nor, not only, but also. So whenever you see the conjunctions in pair, you can easily find them out that they are the correlative conjunctions. They connect to two balance clauses, phrases or words. The two elements that correlative conjunctions connect are usually similar in length and grammatical structure. यानी equally, जैसे एक शुरू एग्जाम्पल में आपको बताया था कि दोनों को equally ट्रीट करता है. In this here in the correlative conjunction आपके जो clauses होते हैं दोनों already balanced होते हैं. For example, you can see we can go to either Murray or Kagan Naran for our holiday. So दोनों clauses को equally treat कर रहा है. It's my final offer. You can either take it or leave it. So either take it or leave it. Equal treatment है. See some other examples. Whether or की example देखिए. Whether you love them or hate them, you have to admit that the Rolling Stones are very popular. Right? See the next one. I'm totally confused. I don't know whether I'm coming or going. No sooner had I finished watering the garden than it started raining. So this is the other example of the correlative conjunction. Do remember that they always appear in pair. So now we are going to see the conjunctive adverbs. Conjunctive adverb is a word that connects two sentences together, making a new sentence. It is like the word and, but adds a little more meaning to the sentence. जैसे ऐसे and function करता है ना, उसी तरह से conjunctive adverb भी work करेगा. But it would be, you can say that in more detail, और ज़्यादा उसको elaborate करेगा. Now see the example. The movie was really bad, therefore many people left early. Right? So यहाँ पे therefore is a conjunctive adverb. And के अलावा ये डिटेल में जाके बात कर रहा है giving the proper reason. Jane didn't study, hence he failed the test. Right? See the next one. You can go when the chores are done, otherwise you will miss the party. Otherwise is a conjunctive adverb. See the other examples. You start cooking the steaks. Meanwhile, I will make the dessert. Right? See the next one. My dad spends a lot of time on the yard. Therefore, our house has the nicest yard on the block. Right? See the second last one. She got 20 presents for her birthday. Nevertheless, she was not happy. So again, these are the types of conjunctive adverbs. You can also see the last one. I'm sorry, you can't go. Besides, the weather forecast calls for rain. So besides the conjunctive adverb. A simple home task is assigned to you. You have to do exercise B, which should be done in copy. You have to fill in the blanks in exercise B with appropriate conditions. Right? I'm going to read few ones for you. Now see number 1. Slide the key inside underneath the door, dash, locking it carefully from outside. After. Right? The word after would be the answer. See number 4. She went out without an umbrella, dash, it had started to rain. Even though it has started to rain. See number 7. Dash were the streets deserted, dash it was very dark everywhere. Right? Not only were the streets deserted, but also, as you can see that इसमें क्या है, पेयर बने हुए हैं इन कंजक्शंस में. See number 9, dash you tell her the truth, dash I will. This is number 9. Either you tell her truth or I will. Again ये भी कौन सा है, पेयर वाला. See number 12. The path ahead is narrow and very slippery, dash we need to walk very slowly and very carefully. So therefore, ये conjunctive adverb है आपके पास. Right? So this is a simple task you have to do. Make proper title page and write down the summary of the chapter. Right? Thank you.